My name is John and I'll be your instructor in this Python course. Now this course is the continuation of Python for Beginners course. In case you haven't watched it yet, watch the Python for Beginners course and then continue watching. Now in the Beginners course we covered all the basic concepts in Python. Now in this course we'll cover all the intermediate concepts. So I've done my best to create the best possible Python course for intermediates. And I'll appreciate it if you support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others so they can learn as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Now let's jump in and get started. In this tutorial, I am going to talk to you guys about comments in Python. We use comments to add notes or comments to our program. Here, I'll add a print statement. Print, Python is my favorite programming language. So up here, let's add a hash sign and type this is a comment. So whatever we type after the hash sign is ignored or not executed. Let me show you. So let's run this program. Look, we only see this message. Python is my favorite programming language. So we can use these comments to explain something about our code, or we can use them as reminders, or we can communicate with other developers reading our code. So we can have multiple comments. All comments must contain a hash. One thing you need to avoid while writing comments is to avoid explaining what your code does. An example of bad comment is print Python is my favorite programming language. So why this is a bad comment? Because it is telling what the code will execute, which is very obvious. The problem with this comment, apart from being repetitive, is that if you change this Python to something else, then the comment becomes outdated. You have to come over here again and update the comment. So use comments to explain something about your code or add a reminder. So that is it for this tutorial. Please support my hard work by liking this video and sharing it with others. Also leave a comment letting me know what more do you want to learn in this intermediate series. Also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you soon.